How to unprivate your TikTok account. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to unprivate your TikTok account, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. I'm going to head into the TikTok app on my phone and then I need to click on profile in the right bottom corner. Then I need to click on the tri-bar symbol in the top right corner. After that, we will need to click on settings, and when you are in here, just click where it says privacy. Now, as you can see, my TikTok profile is currently set to private, but I want to unprivate it, so I just simply need to click right here. And then I need to click on confirm to switch my account to a public one. And that is exactly how to unprivate your TikTok account. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.